popos, developed by System 76. It has won hearts of many for its simplicity and powerful computing experience. It's a beginner-friendly yet loved by experienced user. Plus, developer find it super handy with its built-in tools and drivers. It provides a super smooth experience for and gaming compatibility. If you recently installed popos and or thinking about it, well, you're in trade. In this video, I will walk you through some must-to-do thing after installing this fantastic operating system. So my name is Jarvis and let's dive in the video without any further ado. So the first thing everyone must do after installing any Linux is updating your Linux system. Open up the terminal and type the following command: sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. Well, sudo apt update fetches the latest information about the available software updates from the official repositories, and sudo apt upgrade, this command will go through the list of available updates. So let me wait until the update is done. After updating the system, it's time to install FlatPak. FlatPak is an amazing package management system that gives you access to a vast array of software. To install FlatPak, open terminal and type sudo apt install FlatPak. So it will install FlatPak on our system. As you can see, FlatPak is already installed in my system. If you want to see the available software installed using FlatPak, type FlatPak list and it will show you all the available software. Now if you want to install any particular software, then head over to the FlatPak website and you can download software, or you can manually copy the command from the website and push it right here. Let me install VLC using FlatPak. So I'm gonna paste the command and hit enter, and after some time it will install VLC in my system. So wait. So VLC is now completed, installation is completed. Let me check VLC is installed or not. So let me search for VLC. So yes, as you can see, VLC is not installed. So guys, by this way you can install any software using FlatPak. Now let me show you. If you want to remove FlatPak package, then just type FlatPak uninstall and the package name VLC, and it will uninstall or remove the package from my system. So let me remove VLC again, and it's done. As you can see, VLC is now uninstalled successfully from my system. Alright, let's get the Google Chrome installed on your Linux system using the traditional method with the apt package manager. So type sudo apt install Google Chrome -stable and it will install the Google Chrome in your Linux machine. So let's wait until the process is done. So installation is now done. Let's check Chrome is installed. So yes, as you can see, Google Chrome is now installed in my system. Let me open it. Alright, let's make your popos even better. We will install gnome-tweak, a handy tool to customize and personalize your desktop. To install it, type sudo apt install gnome-tweak and it will install the gnome-tweak tool in your system. Guys, gnome-tweak is a fantastic for popos because it let you easily tweak your theme, icon and font to match your style. You can also enable helpful desktop extension for added feature and productivity. The best part is that It works seamlessly with your popos desktop, making it simple for both new and experienced user. So go ahead and explore gnome-tweak. Make your desktop truly yours and enjoy a personalized experience on popos. Let's take care of an essential task for all the laptop user, enabling the battery percentage indicator on your popos desktop. So in the setting power, you will find the battery percentage option. Toggle it to enable the battery percentage display on your panel, and you will see battery percentage on the top of the screen. So guys, now it's time to install Timeshift. Timeshift is a powerful backup and restore utility that can save you from the system mischief and ensure your data safe. Open up the terminal and type this command, and it will install Timeshift in your system. So Timeshift is now installed in my system. Let me open Timeshift. Timeshift is ready, and let's configure it to create regular system snapshot. This way you can always roll back to a state if something goes wrong with the system. So here you can create your snapshot for the first time, and here click on finish. And guys, creating a snapshot might take quite a while, so don't worry, it's normal. And now it's creating a snapshot. Okay, it will take time, so I'm not gonna create a snapshot for this time. Let me cancel it, and when the snapshot is created, you can just restore the snapshot from here. So guys, it's time to install Ubuntu Restricted. Guys, this package significantly improve your multimedia experience and ensure you don't encounter any compatibility issue when enjoying your favorite music, movies or online content. So in the terminal, type the same command, and it will install ubuntu-restricted-extras in your system. If you are using a computer with Nvidia graphics, it's time to make sure you have the latest Nvidia driver installed for the best performance and compatibility. In this segment, I will guide you through installing the Nvidia drivers for your system popos. By installing the latest Nvidia software, you ensure the optimal performance for your Nvidia graphic card, whether you are gaming or using GPU accelerated application and handling graphic intensive tasks. Let's add some fun to your popos by installing Guvcview, a fantastic webcam viewer and capture tool that will unleash the full potential of your webcam. To install it, open terminal and type the simple command. It provides user-friendly interface to view, capture and control your webcam setting. It's perfect for video conferencing, vlogging or just having fun with the creative webcam effects. Guys, explore it on your own. As you can see, this is the interface of this application. My camera is disabled, let me enable it, and as you can see, camera is working fine, and you can find other option from the setting. So explore it on your own. Let's customize your popos desktop with cool features. In this segment, I will guide you through enabling the hot corner, showing the maximize and minimize button in the app bar, and switching between the dark mode and the light mode. What hot corner do is you can configure action when you move your mouse to the specific corner of the screen. Choose the corner that you would like to activate and select an option from the drop down menu such as show application or show desktop. And guys, as you can see, you can switch dark mode and light mode theme from here, but I love dark mode, so let me select a dark mode. And here, as you can see, this is the left corner option. As you told you earlier, left corner are so handy to use. Let's optimize your popos by installing Ubuntu Cleaner, a fantastic tool to clean up unnecessary files and free up valuable disk space. So you can install this by this simple command and hit enter. It will install the Ubuntu Cleaner in your system. Ubuntu Cleaner is now installed. You can find it in your application menu. Simply launch it and you will have to access various cleaning options to free up disk space. Clean up cache file, remove old kernel, and get rid of temporary data with ease. You can do all the thing using the Ubuntu Cleaner. So you can use Ubuntu Cleaner and remove unnecessary file. So guys, it's time to install the Preload, a nifty tool that enhance your system speed by preloading frequently used application into the memory. Once installed, Preload will automatically analyzing your system usage pattern and intelligent cached application in memory and allow them to launch faster for the next time you open them. Now it's time to set the default app in your popos. So guys, open setting and search for default application, and here as you can see the option for web, videos and music. Guys, you can select any software you want, for example Google Chrome for web, video for VLC and etc. Now it's time to add startup application. Guys, a startup application open automatically when you turn on the system. So guys, to add it, open gnome-tweak-tool, head over to application startup menu, and here you can select any application you want. For example, I'm going to select Google Chrome and click on next. Guys, what it will do when you turn on your system or reboot your system, Chrome will open automatically. So guys, you can add your favorite application in startup application. So that's it for this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this, give it a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching Tech Jarvis.